FreddyLSX Truck Fest.
10 more horsepower right here.
Hey, he's smart. That man's smart. Stop playing with fucking Omar, bro. Stop playing. Anybody needs extended warranty or insurance, call me. They can take it.
Wait, she gonna get in there?
Don't say something. Don't make a guy promise. I can't keep it. Oh, it's hot right there. Man, that guy got burned, bro.
Yo. Hell yeah. Put it back up.
Swing it or don't bring it. Both of them got. What's up, Keith? What you doing, buddy?
Watching reels on Facebook.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What is up, guys? So I'm here at the very first ever FreddyLSX Truck Fest. I came here late, so we're gonna be checking it out today. I know they're doing like burnouts and racing and such, so we're gonna go over there and check it out. What you say? What you say?
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna push into the next car that had a seat coming through. Cold water, son.
I have it open.
I don't give a damn.
Are the burnouts done for the night, or are they still going on?
Hopefully there still are. Hold on.
I was gonna swing that little Miata car.
But then he told me to give the other ones out.
These?
Yeah.
No, we're
They
supposed to keep these.
It don't
These-
matter.
So what?
At the end of the
Yes
day,
or no?
they haven't said yes or no. Let me call.
Hopefully there is, because I was gonna swing the Miata. What's up,
Hey,
bro?
what's up, my guy? I'll be watching y'all videos.
Hey,
and all that.
appreciate you, dog.
That's my boy Darwin right there too, huh?
Oh, there's nothing but cars and trucks coming in today, bro. Freaking awesome.
If you won't mind if I take a picture with you?
Yeah.
I appreciate you, bro.
All right, bro.
Appreciate that.
Take care. Be safe, man.
Yeah, they still doing it.
They are still doing it? Okay.
Still doing it?
Yeah, no.
We're gonna swing the Miata.
Boys and girls and watches it all unfurls. They clutching it all they pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track. Back to the long track. And it's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was destined for greatness. But my mama also she told me take care of the kids and everybody around the world that can fight for it. So it's a Kuna Matata, beast on the water, pray to provider. Please don't divide us. Keep that and try to face your intruder to be someone brighter. Yeah, all in mind if you don't listen.
It looks badass like that, though. I ain't gonna lie, man.
One of the drift cars, bro.
It doesn't look like a Street Fighter. That's what I like
Oh,
that.
yeah, remember? 10 more horsepower right here in the import work, man.
Oh yeah.
20 horsepower, man. You good? Take it to the burnout.
It's
pit or what?
aerodynamic.
Oh yeah, definitely.
You gotta pay. You gotta pay to get into the burnout pit, or you just show up.
You just go up, bro. As soon as it's
Go
open,
up.
you can go.
Hey, you said
Yeah, bro.
all of it in the hat.
Omar.
Fight.
Hey, I know you ain't drinking coffee right now.
I'm drinking coffee all the time, buddy.
Oh,
They
man.
sell it on eBay.
Because every time I invite you to go to a dirt bike track, you never want to go.
We gotta go for the vlog.
You don't have a dirt bike no more, right? You got the Raptor now. I gotta go to the shop one day.
We'll make it happen.
Yeah, we'll go to the shop and ride.
Oh, work to the track.
It on me, okay. All right.
Be safe. Take care.
I wanted to came late because damn the sun out here in Texas right now. It already killed my grass.
Yo, boys, got a grown man having withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much. Yo, I just mind what you say for the crowd. Cause some of y'all don't listen at all. Some of y'all don't answer that call.
stopped by the cops 2 times already. He was taking his job too seriously, but I understand. Shout out to him. Hey, what'd he tell you? Hey, ¿qué dijo?
Nah, he got Max. I'm going around in circles.
Why would he care?
I just told him I'm trying to skate.
Look, I understand what they're doing, but it's, I don't know, it's too much. What's up, man? Are they still gonna do burnouts?
You're gonna burn it out? You're gonna burn it?
I'm gonna just do one little baby thing and that's it. That's all fast, cause I ain't trying to. I got a job interview on Monday. I can't miss it.
I'm ready to see it, dude. Y'all got the paintball gun here? The paintball guns?
Nah, I didn't bring it. I still got the still kind of messed up over there, so I gotta fix that. What?
You gotta park over there.
Okay. Can I park it over there for now?
Right on the wall, right there.
Okay. All right.
There, the same distance.
No, it's because I was gonna try to run real quick to get the Lamborghini.
Oh, but it's right there. You know, it's close. It's the spot right there.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
You should go park it over there, Omar, and then.
Like, I'm a little annoyed, but I mean that's their job, so I can't really hate on it. People set certain rules, and we gotta follow them. You said over there, right?
Hey, don't leave that there. You got to park it out there. That's why you just got to.
Some of y'all don't listen at all. Same shit they be pushing you, but it's got it grown and half the withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much, though I just found what you say for the crowd. Some of y'all don't listen at all. Some of y'all don't answer that call.
There's Tiny. I don't know why, but Tiny's like a character. Tiny. I haven't seen you in a long time.
Been out here sweating my ass off.
You didn't go to Atlanta.
Yeah,
Why?
we're working. Next time.
Next time. For sure. At least it is today. It's hot as ain't it?
Yeah, dude. It's been there since like 9 o'clock.
Damn, you're getting burnt. Let's see. Lift up your. Yeah, that's a lot. Did you find the charger? My sister didn't come? Lamborghini already went. I wanted to catch that on video, but I didn't. Hopefully they go again. But let's see. Leo's over here. Breezy. Paloma.
Comprar un boletito adelante porque
They do it. What's up, cuz? What is it, a 5-3?
What's up, Dad?
You already drank a lot or what?
Nah, it's only my 38 beer.
You're sweating like a mother.
It's hot. Have you been here all day? Good.
I'm smart.
Yeah, he's smart. He's smart. That man's smart. Stop playing with fucking Omar, bro. Stop playing with Omar. Hey, at home broken. I got all the other ones here. That one and the other one and the T-Rex and all that. Buddy, hey, anybody need extended warranty or car insurance? Call me collect. I can take care of you. Habib, do not worry. Do not call my punk brother. I take care of you, okay? I assure you if you can hear me. You need car warranty or extended car insurance, I got you. Hit me up, call me collect. I take care of you. Do not call my punk brother Sabu. He will not help you. I take care of you, okay? Call me collect.
Oh, he's talking in an Indian accent.
You hear scam? You see scam liking on your phone, buddy? That is me.
Midnight brought a 240, guys. I did not expect this JDM. Ooh. It's an awesome ass car. JDM action, guys. JDM stands for Japan Domestic Market. What? Is that the original motor?
No, 2JZ. 1.5J.
This is your car?
Yeah.
Damn, this is freaking awesome, bro. Love the cowboy hat, bro, and everything, bro. Love the car.
You ride with them or what?
I wish.
You wish. You gonna get in there?
Don't say something. Don't make a guy promise. I can't keep it.
You keep it. Don't.
Oh, they're doing burnouts right now. I guess I gotta take the Miata. If I want to.
Oh, that's the guy with the Miata that was signing autograph. He's famous.
Oh, you're famous, bro?
I'm known. I'm just not famous. I don't know the definition of being famous.
I don't think anyone does.
But I'm well known. I'm pretty well known. You gonna race something or what?
About to race it.
Yeah? By the way, guys, this is midnight right here.
I just noticed that you changed the back one. It looks way better.
I cleaned up, baby. It's for you.
Damn, bro. Awesome.
It's a 1.5J. So 2J bottom end, 1J top end.
At the end of the day, it's one big ass motor. Imagine putting this in the Miata.
They known by the YouTube guy.
Hey, on the video.
Be like, I remember him. He had the cowboy hat. Nah, I love the car, man. Fucking
Thanks,
awesome.
man.
Can't wait to start building the Miata.
What you building? You building a Miata?
Yeah, I'm building a Miata.
Oh man,
It's
triple
just a
that
little
thing.
Yeah, like I saw that the 1.6 motor, because it's a 1.6.
Yeah.
They can push like 520, 530 as much. I went on YouTube, and that's how much I found. You know, like.
LS it. Get it over with.
I mean, yeah, but then again, I love JDM, and I kind of want to keep it JDM, but maybe, I don't know. I'm still like, I want to keep the car reliable for a little bit, but still dog on it a little bit.
Oh, those motors are plenty good.
Yeah, they are. I've been doing it. Freddie, he broke his Miata the first day he got it. My still running.
Siente perrón, güey. I think I popped the tire. ¿Sí? Oh, I broke the Miata! I broke the Miata!
My car's still alive! Yeah, man. Fuck. Hope to see it out there and done
Oh
up
yeah,
there.
we're gonna get out there. For sure.
Hell yeah.
Definitely never been to anything like this ever.
Definitely never seen a guy with a cowboy hat with a JDM car. That's
Let's
awesome.
do it.
Well, technically, you can go all the way to Conroe and we'll still be in Houston, or we'll just keep saying.
From Conroe, though.
No, I'm not from Conroe. I'm from Houston.
Oh, you from Houston?
Houstonians, that's what we do.
But you know, we here in FreddyLSX show. Hey, I'm with you heavy.
Appreciate you, dog.
Yes, sir.
There's my sister. There's a drama going on over here.
They kicked them out of the pit, and then everybody's over there, so they're pissed. Why'd you kick us out?
Yeah, living life.
Police dude being the. How many times that man to walk up on us? Man, he started trying to tell us we can't stand by the thing. We don't have no bands. We got bands. See, that guy, he on the power trip, bro. We was just here.
What's up, man?
He tripping, man.
Just got.
Right?
Yeah.
I'll wait for the next one.
Oh yeah.
I forgot to put it in 4-wheel drive.
It has to be always on 4-wheel drive, bro. Always. You think Freddie would have still won?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right?
I think Freddie would have gapped him hard.
Oh yeah, for sure. Still, Coyotes are impressive on motor.
They are, you're right, you're right. 10 speeds though.
Yeah, hell yeah. The thing that changed is the aluminum, the 10 speed, and the heads.
Yeah, definitely.
The heads because they allow more air to go flowing through.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Still Team Chevy.
Team
Team Chevy. I like Ford, but Team Chevy. Parachute time. You know it's fast when it has a parachute. How many times? What's going on, Vargas?
Not much, not much.
You're gonna be racing right now?
Yeah.
Well, what about the other red truck?
Which one? The big wheels?
The Phillips.
We already win.
Where's the Lamborghini?
I don't know, but
Yeah.
we raced versus on the gas and we win.
You won?
Yeah.
What did y'all win again?
This one?
This
we
one?
lost because we jumped on the line.
What do you think the time is gonna be?
Time is like 8, 9 o'clock right now or something.
I'm gonna stop talking to you. Huh?
It's 9:05.
I'm talking about the time you think you'll make over here.
Oh, yeah, I can't tell you.
Doing pro tree too. Pro tree.
Back tire animal?
Back tire.
I can't talk to you no more. You always do this.
Hey, take the Miata, don't up it.
Hell nah, bro. Give me the same motor on this thing. I bet you'll tell Lamborghini. Already betting.
Right in my face.
I saw that.
Welcome to track.
To the break it down.
Hell yeah.
What was that? The housing or the transmission? That would have been an awesome race.
You broke
I think you broke the housing of the
stall converter.
too much torque.
It's alright. We'll raise the show. No, it's not gonna fit. It would have been a good race.
That's what I'm talking about.
Omar!
Hell yeah. Put it back up.
Swing it or don't bring it.
Oh. Bro, it was like half a car though. It was also half a car. Man, you ripped it out there, bro.
Oh yeah.
You said it was a 2J or?
It's a 1.5. Yeah.
Boy.
2J bottom end, 1J top end.
Awesome though.
Texas, tires, and parts. You can find me on Midnight Performance.
What do you want, Omar? What do you want?
He said you were slow.
Super slow.
No, he said you were slow.
I'm super slow.
He said you were slow.
I'm super slow.
Guys, they're f***ing blue. Oh, it's hot right there. Damn. That's not a little backfire. Take on it. What do you think happened? Because you used to drive one. No. Cut. Both of them got There you go. Hey guys, how you doing?
How much?
150, I don't give a pop up and down headlights.
100.
I think I can, they wink. They like go out of sync and they start winking. Let me see if I can do it. Mine's louder! Small cars only! Ah. Got a wad of cash and I'm ready to blow it.
Now I need to look for Omar.
I went the wrong way!